Hello, hello. Live stream number 66. Alrighty. Wow, I've had a couple days off, feeling very recharged. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Hopefully everyone enjoyed the long weekend. I know I did. I got to relax finally, which was fantastic. And yeah, now we're back in there. Oh, excuse me. Oh man. MKKM, how's it going? Trying to figure out why I always sneeze when I get on these live streams. I figured it out. It's because I turned my AC on. It's probably blowing some dust on me or something. No, I didn't do much work on Sunday. No, that's a lie. I still worked. I just didn't work as much as I usually do. I'm pulling like 70 hours a week pretty consistently. So, you know, I pulled it back to maybe like 65 or 60 instead. So that's what I call taking a break. A little bit ridiculous, I know. But you gotta do what you gotta do. Nigel Treadwell says, hey, what's going on, bro? I just found your channel and loving what you're doing. Keep it up. Plus, I bought a 50K account today from TFT. Can with a free 10K account as well. I don't know what you mean on that last part. It might have been a typo. I'm glad you're enjoying the channel though, man. Thank you. What do I do for work? I am a sales manager, and then I do this Forex trading stuff here. So the goal is to be full-time Forex trading by sometime like the end of this year, maybe beginning of next year at like the absolute latest. But I would like to be trading full-time sooner rather than later, because you have to work way more when you're working a regular thing. The pay is just not anywhere near close of what you can make trading, so I would much rather be trading. So, you know, gotta work towards that though. All right, really quick, the news. There's some medium news, I guess you would call it, at midnight. Medium. And then some more medium news at 1 a.m. I'm not too worried about it, honestly. It's on the franc mostly. A little bit of euro, but I don't think that's going to affect anything. I think with the long weekend, everybody's probably like eager to get back into trading. I know that I am. This account here, I only have $740 to go. So I'll be done with this 50K challenge portion, and I got to go ahead and do the verification after that. Oh, hold on. Ooh, okay. See, this would be a good EMA pullback, except for the fact that it's like a quadruple top. So that's not a very good EMA pullback there. It's probably just gonna go down. So we're gonna skip that one. All right, dollar index. This is another tricky one because it's like a triple top here. Not a very good one, but the dollar index is it's known to reverse on a dime. So well, with that said, I mean, it shouldn't just come down from here. It should at least put in like another top or a consolidation of some sort on the hourly chart. So that would push let's see, it needs to come down and then come back up. So these will go down then. So these are going to come up and then go back down. So let me go ahead and just fix my charts here. I haven't been on here in a couple of days when my charts are all messed up. It's nice to take a break every once in a while. It really is. I've been known to overdo it. I think I'm Superman or something. I'm really not, but you know, I behave like I'm Superman. And I'll fly right into a wall every once in a while. Let's see. Okay. Bitcoin is still chopping around 27,000. Once again, shout outs to El Salvador. EGBP. Really no telling what'll happen here on the EGBP, so I'm just gonna let that one. I'm gonna have to miss that one. Oh, okay, the yens are on the move. Let's see. Okay. Possible the yens are coming down. It's definitely a possibility. This would be the time. Okay, Auden ZD. Nothing here. It's not going to come down, but it's too overextended to keep going up either. So really nothing to do there. Okay. All right. Well, from what I see, like I was saying, I think the majors are tradable today. And I think the GU, EU, AU, and NZDU probably all come down once the dollar goes back up. But I mean, it hasn't really come down yet. So it's going to be tricky to time it. The UCAD looks like it wants to just break out now. Break out and go up. That might be the case. Well, either way, we have 16 minutes before the open, so plenty of time. Like I said, the EGBP, I really can't. I don't see a direction on this one. It really could go either way. On NZD, it probably should just chop around for a little bit. So Yeah, it's gonna be hard to tell. I would say probably. Let me look at the 4 hour and the daily again. Yeah, see, the 4 hour looks like it will go up. The daily looks like it will go down. And if it's gonna go down on the daily, it's probably gonna go down a lot. So yeah, it's this a tough call on this one. But you know, if I had to guess, I would say it goes up, chops around for a little bit, and then goes up. That's my guess on the EGBP. And that's important because I need to know which one of the majors do I want to take. And the EGBP is pretty important in deciding that. So Nigel Treadwell, you said, I see you're doing FTMO. Have you tried the funded trader prop firm? 5-day minimum, 8% profit target. And they're running a promo. If you buy a 50K account, you get a free 10K account. Oh, that's what you were talking about? Oh, okay. The funded trader. Let's see. I don't I think I've heard of them. Yeah, I've heard of it. The funded trader. Oh yeah, this is that one that's like themed around like a RPG video game type of theme that it has going on. That's pretty funny. The Royal Challenge, the Standard Challenge, or the Rapid Challenge. That's pretty funny. So you said if you get a 50K, you get a 10K? I'm a little confused here. I don't see a 10K on there. Oh, I see. Standard challenge. What's the Knights challenge? What's that one? Wow, this is a lot of for all you prop firms and hedge fund offer, can you make this stuff less complicated, please? You got the Standard Challenge, the Rapid Challenge, the Royal Challenge, the Knight Challenge, like all these different. It's just too much. I don't even know where to start. It's too confusing. All right. It looks cool though. I like the I like the video game theme that they have going on. That's the RPG video game theme is interesting. But yeah, you guys have too many options going on. The customers are confused. We don't know what's going on. We don't know where to start. There's a such thing as too many options. Let's see. All right, we still got 11 minutes until the open. Yeah, they gotta simplify. I've seen a couple prop firms and stuff that are like that. They give you like 10 different accounts to choose from. Ouch. I don't even know what any of this means. Okay, so once again, you know what I noticed in doing these recaps is that I do I have been taking the GBP USD as my first trade a lot. Not every day, but it happens a lot, and that happens to be my first trade quite a bit. So just something I noticed. William Mitchell says, another week, let's get it. Yes, indeed. Indeed, let's get it. I'm gonna finish this challenge up by Friday at the absolute latest. I'm gonna go very easy. I'm not doing any compound trades, I don't think. Unless I see like a super good trade, I'll go for it, but I'm just gonna use the regular $100 risk and get this last $740. I want to be there's no need to rush, no reason to rush rather. And it's only a 50k account, it's not a 200k or anything like that. Although I am excited to get it, but you know, I'm more excited about that 400k. Yeah, no, that's what I'm really looking forward to. And yeah, I'm starting to get better with my trading journals and trading log as well. It really does come in handy as far as knowing which pairs you're winning on, which pairs you're losing on. Maybe you should trade less of one pair and more of another, and you know, it's a lot of good information. Alrighty. Yeah, so like I was saying, the best outcome here would be for the dollar to come down a significant amount. That means it would probably have to go back up at that point, and that would be the easiest trades here. So I'm looking for a possible short over here. So I think it would have to pull back quite a bit for that to happen. Yeah, other than that, I don't see a whole lot. And then the yens might be coming down. It might continue to come down rather. That's probably a good move there too. Yeah, usually I don't bank on the yen coming down after a big uptrend like this. It usually just keeps on going, but since this was such a big move, such a big bar down, that might be a possibility too. Be sure to hit the like button if you guys are enjoying the channel, the streams, the recaps, all the things. Yeah, today might be one of those days where it's like it takes forever to get going. Possibly. Yeah. Oh, and the Beamer grew on me, by the way. I was not feeling that 5 Series Beamer at first. And the more I looked at it, I was like, actually, no, I do like it. I do like it. That's probably still going to be the car I get anyway, because that's what I already wanted. I had to get used to it. And just like the new S-Class, I had to get used to it. I hated the new S-Class at first. I was like, what the hell? What in the Kia is going on right now? What in the Hyundai? No, it's really nice. Very like understated and classy. Took a minute. Am I on Instagram? Not at the moment. I was having some I won't get into all that. But yeah, I'm not on Instagram at the moment. I'll restart my Instagram probably next year or something. I don't have the time for it right now. Yeah, Instagram takes a lot of time. Actually, all these different social medias, you got to really like be dedicated. Just look at my Twitter compared to my YouTube. It's just not even close, because I don't put any effort into Twitter. I don't really like Twitter, to be honest. YouTube's the only one I like, and I kind of sort of like Instagram a little bit, but YouTube's the only one I actually, I don't know, have some type of respect for. Twitter is just terrible to me. Okay, we got 3 minutes till the open. Yeah. So the only way that I'm gonna go short here is with a red bar on the 5 minute, and I would use a sell stop order underneath it, because there's a pretty big chance that this will go up for a while, maybe all the way to like here on that hourly chart. It might go all the way up there and then come down, or it might just continue going up. But like I said, the dollar, I don't think this is just going to come straight down. 515, yeah. Okay, yeah, this is not just going to come straight down from here. That'd be almost impossible. So it should come down maybe to like here, go back up for a little bit, and then possibly come down. That would make much more sense. But yeah, the yens might come down. Those are the ones I've got my eye on. These might just drop down, so I would look for a better entry than here. And then we got the open happening, so let's let all the chaos of the open go through its motions, and then after that I can decide on something. All right, 45 seconds. Yeah, this looks like it's gonna go up for a while. And we got the EGBP crashing. Yep, it might actually just come down. It's very possible. So yeah, the GU should go up for a little bit for sure. All right, 10 seconds. Okay, here we go. Okay, EGBP is crashing pretty hard. Okay. So yeah, this probably continues down, I'm guessing. So euro down. It's a rough start here. Whoa. Wow, you rarely ever see a gap on Forex charts, even though it's a small one. That's interesting. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I still think I'm just gonna wait over here. I don't think the EGBP is gonna crash for too long. Okay, nothing yet. And keep in mind, this is the first day back from a holiday weekend. So there's something to keep in mind there. I actually think I could have took this too. Let's see. Had I gone with a 612. Yeah, I don't think I would went for 6, 12, 18. Yeah, let's see. Okay. So I didn't take that trade, but I should have. I don't know why I didn't. A little too late now, but yeah, I just want to see if I was right on that one. And I don't know if this, I feel like this should come down some more before I yeah, I don't see anything too great at the moment, honestly. Oh, you said it's the weak open gap just a day later on that yen pair. I think it was the euro yen. Yeah. Yeah, you see gaps a lot on stocks for sure. But yeah, Forex not as much. If you do see them, they're like small gaps. You won't see big giant gaps like that. Very rare that happens. Let me get these loaded up too. Actually haven't like I said, I haven't been on here since Thursday night into Friday morning. So all my charts are like messed up, not loaded. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Okay. Yeah, see, it's coming down a little bit, but I don't know if this is the move down though. I'm kind of thinking that it's not. Yeah, I don't. It doesn't look great. Yeah, I really don't see anything. Yeah, I should have gotten here. So many trades I like miss. Let me see. I could have even done a sell stop here. It wouldn't even have had to been all that serious. Okay. Ooh. It's a really big stop loss. 20, 40, 60. Ooh, it's down there. Yeah, I don't know about that. Yeah, I don't think I would have took that. But I do want to see if I was right. That's way down there. Okay. There's a chance I might actually be able to get back into this one here. This is like a quadruple top on the hourly chart. So you should be able to sell here pretty safely. I just want to see what it does here. Matter of fact, let me take this off of here because I'm probably going to take a trade on it. Yeah, what will be even better is if it went all the way up here. I don't think it's going to make it up there. But if it does and then puts in another engulfing bar, red bar, then I'll definitely get into it. So let's see what happens there. Yeah, the major pairs are misaligned right now. You got the odd and the NZD-U going up. The GU and the EU are kind of stalled out / coming down. Definitely not matching up. You want those all to be going in the same direction, which is usually the case. Okay. Let's see the yens again. I do want to keep my eye on the yens for sure. Okay, I don't see anything too great yet. I'm gonna grab another water. I'll be right back. Okay. Okay, a couple things. Might go short here. Ooh, actually, I'm gonna go short. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I think so. Okay, I'm gonna go short here. Once again, should have went with the sell stop, but didn't. Okay. All right, so I did go for the short here. $42.4. All right. 47. 4. 27.4. Okay. So not like an A+ trade. Definitely not A+. But pretty decent chance it'll work. So I'll take the chance. Am I a scalper? Yes, definitely a scalper. That's the style that I've developed over time, and that's what I'm good at, so that's what I stuck with. I'm not very good with like swing trades or anything like that, so you know. Yeah, I go for the quick moves. Most of my trades go through in like within an hour, usually 2-3 hours at the most. I trade mainly off the 5-minute chart. Oh, how's this playlist doing? I just use TradingView for the analysis. I trade on MT5. That's right, MT5, not MT4 anymore. I finally made the change to MT5. It is better. The only thing I haven't been able to find is the commission while the trade is still running. I see how you find the commission after the trade is done, but I need to know how much it cost me already. So that's the only thing I can't find. And I do like CTrader better than all of these, but us US people can't use CTrader anymore, unfortunately. Yeah, this one was a little risky. I could move the stop. Oh, God. I shouldn't. No, I shouldn't. Nah, let me not do that. I could move the stop to like, you know, up here somewhere, but that's just way too far. So I'll probably lose this one here. Have to re-enter back into it later. That's my own fault. Like I said, had I used a sell stop, that would have happened. So me not taking my own advice there. So I'm just gonna lose this one. It's all good. Which time frame does a scalper need to pay attention to the most? I trade mostly off the 5 minute and the 1 hour. Ugh. I mean, I knew I was gonna lose that trade, but seeing it actually happen kind of pissed me off. This is why you use stop orders. This is a perfect example. Okay, had I just set that stop order right there, which would have been completely fine, I wouldn't have lost that $200 just now. That was very unnecessary and reckless. I'm gonna chalk it up to I've been off for like 3 days and I'm a little rusty. A little rusty. Forgot how to trade for a minute there. Yeah, you can trade off the 5 minute and the 1 hour. I have the 3 and the 15 just for like very isolated situations. Like the 3 minute I take for EMA pullbacks. I'll use the 3 minute chart. Oh, okay. Here we go. All right, I was waiting on this one anyway. So this one here should be, I'm gonna wait for the red bar to form though. I'll be a little bit more careful this time. So this account here is a $50,000 FTMO challenge, but I am taking trades on my other accounts, which are real accounts. So this account here, it doesn't matter, you know, really the losses. All right. So we got a short opportunity here. Let me see here. Maybe not actually. I'd have to be pretty careful with this one too. And yeah, I gotta wait for this one to get like up here at that red bar up there. That horizontal ray that I put up there. Once it gets there, it'll probably be good to short. Okay. Am I a full-time trader? No, not at the moment. Probably in a couple months I should be, hopefully. Oh, here it is. Okay, so this is the move that I just lost for no reason. I'm still gonna be a little bit more careful though, because it is kind of like in a tight spot. So I want to see at least one full red bar on the 5 minute before I commit to anything. So this is the way I should have done it in the first place. I was just being a little, you know. Entering trades too early as usual. Okay. Yeah, the fact that this came down so fast over here, it should go up a little bit and then I'll enter. Okay, yeah, I think I can go ahead and do it now. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let me just think for a second here. Make sure. Only thing is, I don't know if the dollar is gonna like continue up from here. Yeah, I feel like I'd be better off doing it here, but then the EGBP is coming down, so I don't know. Yeah, I don't think it's ready yet. I don't think the move is ready yet. Yeah, it looks like it wants to still go up a little bit more. So like I was saying, it'll probably make it up to this red line that I put up here, and then come down. If anything, you can probably go long here for a little bit. What's going on with the yens? Almost forgot. Still coming down. Yes. Okay. So it definitely hasn't reached anywhere near the take profit. Okay, actually I do think I can get into this here. Just gonna use one. Okay, I'll go ahead and do it. Okay, so this was that trade I was trying to take earlier, but got into too early. So I got back into it mainly because this big engulfing bar. Usually a pretty good signal to go ahead and enter. Still not like an A+ trade though. And I might even move that stop up if it goes up a little bit. I'm hoping it just crashes down. Okay. So hopefully this will just come crashing down, and it should be like a pretty quick trade if that's what it's gonna do. You said I should stream more often. I mean, I stream Monday through Friday. How much more do you want me to stream? Market's closed on Saturday and Sunday, so I mean, I don't think I can stream anymore, buddy. Oh, I mean, well, you know, I could do the New York session, but as of now, I don't have the time to do that. If this take profit, would it be enough to pass? Let me see. No, I'm still gonna have like $40 to go, but I'll be almost done at least. Well, I use the 200, 21, and the 8 EMA. So I always say the EMAs are just guidelines. It's not really important which 3 numbers you choose, as long as they're, you know, use the same consistent numbers. It's just so you know where you are on the chart. Oh, okay, you just subscribed. Okay, yeah, I stream Monday through Friday for the London session, and like I was saying earlier, later on when I'm full-time and I'm able to do this full-time, I'll stream the London and the New York sessions. So I'll do like maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours of both, but that's a couple months down the line. So yeah, see, this is why I need to know what the commission is. I don't know how much this trade cost me. So I don't know how much more of a take profit I need to put. That's the only thing I don't like about MT5. This lot size is six standard lots on this one. So it's a $300 risk. Yeah, I'm right at the end of the challenge, so I don't want to go like too crazy and, you know, possibly mess anything up. That's why I'm being, you know, more cautious for sure. Being pretty cautious. No need to rush. If it takes me until Friday to finish, that's fine. Okay, so here's the bounce. Is it gonna bounce all the way back up? I doubt it, just because it put in that big giant engulfing bar. Andy G says regards from the Dominican Republic. Alrighty. How's it going, man? All the way from the DR. Yeah. So if I win this trade here, it's a $900 profit. I can't move the take profit though, just because there's level down here. So, you know, once it gets down there, it's like pretty risky. So I'm just gonna take it where it's at and not have to, you know, possibly lose by like 2 pips or something, just being greedy. So hopefully I get this one here. I'll take the 900. That'll put me at like 54,900 because the commission is probably like $40 or something. So I'll just have to make another $100 after that, and then I'll be done. That's if this trade goes through, which it looks pretty decent. It's not like a guaranteed trade or anything, but it looks pretty decent. I should have just gotten in on the EGBP earlier. Or one of these yen trades. Well, yeah, those don't look as great right now. This was probably like the best one. You're doing well. It's glad to hear, man. Glad to hear it. Yeah, this looks pretty good actually. Let me actually see the higher up charts. I might be able to move the. I don't think I'm going to. Oops, hold on. I don't think I'm going to move the take profit. Well, it looks like I could, and probably get away with it too. But it's okay. I'll take the 900 here. How many years have I been trading? Like 3.5 years. Not very long. Yeah, not very long at all. I should probably set this to break even. Let's see. No, maybe not. No, I think I just let it run. I'll let it run. Hopefully it's not going to take forever. So on the 5-minute chart, this bar right here has 30 seconds left. That would make 2 consolidation bars. It should go down after that. That's usually what you get. If you have like an engulfing top pattern like this, you'll get usually 1 or 2 consolidation bars, and then it continues on with the pattern. Yeah, see, this is the danger zone right here. There is a possibility that it continues going up from here, and that's why I was saying, you know, I probably should set the stop to break even. But had I done that, I think I would have got stopped out like right here. So hopefully it doesn't do that. Definitely a possibility. But yeah, in the past I've had issues like I'll get so close to either passing a challenge or passing a verification or whatever, and then start being really reckless trying to get it done really fast. So that's what I am preventing myself from doing right now. So I don't care if it takes 2 more weeks, you know, that's fine. It's still a new $50,000 account to trade with that you can easily make a nice $4,000 a month, if not way more than that. So, you know, no need to rush. Just take it easy, and you know, you'll get there when you get there. Very worst case scenario, you can just do the 14-day extension, and worst case scenario, you can just do the retake if it comes down to it. But don't go putting yourself into like the negative when you're already almost about to pass it. Yep. Yeah, they're actually very lenient with their challenges. You know, as long as you have a positive balance, you can do the retake, and you got extensions. You got all kind of stuff. So yeah, no reason to rush at all. That's what I think causes people to end up losing and failing, because they want to get it done too quickly. Yeah, see, this trade might end up failing. I'll be pretty mad, I'm not gonna lie. Big loss for the day if that ends up happening. Okay, that's a good sign, the way it popped down like that. I would like to see the UCAD go up. Okay, that's a really good sign. All right, I'm less scared now. It should probably go through now, which is great. Yeah, like I said, if this trade goes through, I'm gonna need is $100 after that. So we're pretty much in there. That being said, though, just that strange spot where the dollar is right now, like I was saying, it really should come down a little bit more before going up. So if that happens, yeah, it's gonna mess my trade up here. Alrighty, man, you're out of here. I'll see you later. Who taught me how to trade? Mainly myself, really. Mainly myself. There's a couple guys around like YouTube and Instagram and stuff that I found, and a bunch of books and courses, and it was mainly just trading every day that taught me how to do it. Experience, I guess. I don't see anybody using the same style that I use, so I pretty much came up with it on my own. Oh yeah, definitely some YouTubers that taught me a couple things. Yeah, I don't really know what to do with this one. I think I'm gonna leave it alone, actually. So we're still here. See, this isn't looking as good now. Yeah, it might end up failing. Kind of sucks. Yeah, that kind of sucks. Yeah, I'm not too surprised though. So I'll let it run. I'm not gonna mess with it or anything. Yeah, it's not. It already wasn't that great of a trade to begin with, and now it's not looking too good at all. So yeah, this will probably be the last trade I take for today. Cause yeah, if I lose here, it's pretty big loss for the day. I'm a little upset, but it's okay. Not too hard to recover from. If that UCAD goes back up, then we're okay. Everything is fine. But if it continues coming down the way it is, then yeah. All right, sleeping pill time. Gotta handle some stuff in the morning, so I gotta wake up a little earlier than usual. So yeah, this will probably be the last trade to take. This is possibly a good EMA pullback here, though. I don't love it, so I don't think I'm not gonna take it. The hourly chart does not look good, but let's just see if I was right. But yeah, I'm definitely not taking that. Okay. Yeah, I might end up losing this one. It's such a toss-up. Yeah, definitely a toss up on this one. I hope it does go through though. That'd make my life way easier. No, I'm not gonna take any more today, unless something jumps out at me. But yeah, I doubt it. Ah, yeah. But yeah, it doesn't look good, but it's like not terrible either. Oh man, I'm just gonna let it run. I'm not gonna mess with it. I'm very tempted to get out of it now, but then if it goes through, I'm gonna be even more pissed off. Okay, that looks way better. It dropping down like that, it looks much better. I've got the take profit in a reasonable spot too. I didn't put it all the way down at the bottom. Okay. Okay, that looks way better now. Still not really in the clear, but it's a good sign. Okay. Yeah, I'll probably stay on here for like another 10 minutes or so. Just gonna decide what I want to do with this trade. I could set the stop right above that little consolidation area on the 5-minute. Because if it's gonna go past there, it'll probably go all the way past there. I might just leave it as is though. Ooh. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. The UCAT is coming up, so that's a good sign. Yeah, still not in love with this trade, but I'm gonna let it run regardless. It looks like it might go through, so all right. So no need for me to sit here and continue to watch it because it's not. I doubt it's gonna go through in the next half an hour. It'd probably take like, I don't know, an hour, maybe 45 minutes, something like that. So I'll let this trade run. I am gonna call it a day. So I don't think I'm gonna take any more. Oh, by the way, look at this. This one's gonna go through too. I should have just took it. Yeah, I should have took it. That's okay. It's all good. All right. So I'm gonna let this trade run here. Like I said, I don't think it's a plus trade or anything, but there is a pretty decent chance it goes through. So I'll let that run, and I'll let you all know what happens tomorrow with the recap video in the morning. And yeah, that's it for today. I will see you guys tomorrow at 11:30 p.m. Pacific time. And later.